I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here in the room's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone, and the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end though alone. Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really cared until I met you, and now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. Oh, you don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my